What's happening, guys? Dr. Wilson with Gaitway Chiropractic in Spokane. I'm doing a single arm bent over row because a workplace study investigating neck and shoulder pain found that resistance training of 4 exercises was enough to actually reduce neck and shoulder pain. So if you want those exercises listed, keep following along in this exercise video. So now you have simple to execute exercises in the workplace to help reduce neck and shoulder pain. And the good news is more isn't necessarily better. They found that doing just 2 sets of each exercise just once a day was equally as beneficial as doing the 2 sets of each exercise twice a day. And they did this 5 days a week, consisting of 4 weeks of one resistance followed by 4 weeks of another resistance. Hey, if you want more information on how to keep your body strong and reduce your risk of injury, hit me up at Gaitway Chiropractic in Spokane. And as always, stay strong.